Okay, I want to show how I tie the bags of stool after I empty my colostomy. First of all, I learned the hard way. I put a mat on my lap to keep the bags from falling between my legs when they get too heavy. Then I empty my colostomy into a trash bag. And it was getting so I had trouble with my hands tying knots in the bag. So I was looking for a better way to tie the bags. And for a while, I tried tape. And that was a hassle. And now I use zip ties, which I've always known them by, but when you order them, they're called cable ties. Little 6-inch cable ties. And you just ratchet them closed. And they tie it tighter, then you can get a knot tied. And you put them in the diaper pail.